is just a club, it's a community. The world of tech is constantly evolving, and we want to equip you with the skills and, more importantly, sorry, mindset to keep up with it. Whether it's competitive programming, problem solving, or collaborating on a project, we aim to be your platform for growth. And trust me, the journey isn't just about the destination, it's about the people you meet along the way. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. कोडिंग तो मुश्किल है और अब ये लोग और भी मुश्किल बना देंगे, है ना? कि हम लोग जब ग्रुप्स में होंगे बहुत ही टेक्निकल बातें कर रहे होंगे, मैं तो बहुत बिगनर हूँ, मुझे कैसे समझेगा? Here's the thing, coding is like solving a puzzle. It's challenging, yes, but it's also incredibly rewarding. As they say, every bug fix is a step closer to the enlightenment. So, what's your plan for you? Now, there have been various workshops, boot camps, and there are some previous events like Byte Bash. Throughout the year, we all host workshop tailored to your skill level. Whether you are a beginner struggling with loops or a pro working on dynamic programming, we have got something for everyone. And yes, we promise to make this workshop engaging. No boring stuff, just hands-on learning. Our flagship event, Byte Bash, is one of the most anticipated hackathon. It is chance to innovate, execute solution to the real world problems. And the best part, you get to showcase your skill to the recruiters and the industry professionals. This club is about teamwork. Through projects and coding sprints, you will learn how to collaborate effectively, a skill that just as important as technical knowledge in the today's world. Remember, a good coder can write a code, but a great coder can work with a team to build something extraordinary. There is all the peer support you get in this club. We understand that learning to code can be tough at times. That's why we are here to support you. Whether it's through peer to peer mentoring or guidance from a senior, we will make sure you never feel alone. Now, let me address something important, the fear of failure. Many of you hesitate to make part in coding challenges or hackathons because you are afraid of making mistakes or thinking that you are a very beginner and you can't solve these questions. Let me tell you something. Failure is the part of the process. Remember, each failed submission is one step towards the big O of one eventually. And coding isn't all about typing with little fun. We have got a fair share of jokes, memes to keep the things light. For instance, here's one. Why do coders prefer dark mode? Can anyone tell me why do programmers prefer dark mode? The joke is because the light attracts the bugs. So don't worry, we are here to have fun while we learn. Before I wrap up, I want to leave you with this thought. The club is only as strong as its member. So your participation, your idea, your energy will shape the future of the AlgoAllies. So don't hold back. Take the first step. Whether it's going a workshop, participating in the future events, or simply asking the questions. Because the more you give to this club, the more you get in return. Especially to all the foundation level students here, I hope you are excited about this journey as we are. Together, let's make Algo Allies the go-to club for tech enthusiasts purchasing IIT MBS. Thank you once again and welcome aboard. Let's make this year unforgettable. Now, I hand over the mic to Mr. Sarthak. Sarthak, go ahead.
Hi, thank you, Abhishek. Am I audible, everyone?
Yes, you are.
Okay, so first of all, welcome, good evening. I cannot express how excited I am to be here today. And I'm going to speak to all of you about something so close to my heart, AlgoAllies. We're a venture of Saranda House. And just know this one thing, this club is more than just a community. We are planning, and our vision is to build an ecosystem where curiosity is going to meet your determination, and where skills are going to be forged to solve real world problems. But before I dive into what makes Algo Allies unique, let's start with something simple yet profound. Why do you think we are here? Like, why does this club exist? I mean, you can put in chat, why do you think we are here? Anyone?
because we can do competitive programming with our
Yes, that
peers.
is that is one of the things that we are going to dive deeper into. But why do you think like this club, like you can do competitive programming on your own too? Why do we need this club? Like anyone to develop yourself? Yes, Omkar, that's a great answer.
We can
To
help each
learn
other.
and grow. Is to help each other. I think everyone knows the gist of having a community. We have to build connections, right? And we have to upskill ourselves. Sri Vinayak, excellent answer. The thing is, we are here to build core skills, and you can take a look at the PPT: problem solving, accountability, collaboration, and industry preparedness. The need to solve, like why do you think problem solving matters? Have you ever noticed how coding and solving problems are like a spectator sport? Like imagine a cricket match, the audience cheers when a batsman smashes a six, or when a fielder takes a stunning catch. But as spectators, we can feel the same thrill as the players on the ground, the ones that are strategizing, making split second decisions, having the strategic timeout, and having all those decisions turn the tide of the game. Similarly, we believe in the world of technology, you can either be spectator, passively consuming what others create, or we can all come together to be players, actively shaping the future. Algo allies exist for one reason and one reason only. Just remember this: to get you on the field, to turn you into problem solvers who can tackle challenges, create solutions, and leave an impact. And why is this so important? Because in the real world, problems don't come with predefined solutions. They don't say, ये ले बेटा इसमें एक if else डाल दे और हो गया. No, they demand creativity, perseverance, and willingness to learn and adapt. Our goal is to adapt you with these qualities, to equip you with problem solving. And you might be wondering, like, you are all talk and what's the plan? At AlgoAllies, we believe that problem solving isn't a skill you're going to be born with. Okay. It's something you develop. And to do that, we've structured our activities around four pillars: knowledge sharing, competitions, collaboration, and cutting edge tools. So let me break these down for you. So, number one, building a smarter community. The first pillar of Algo Allies is knowledge sharing. We believe that knowledge grows when it's shared. That's why we are planning to regularly host talks and workshops on topics that matter in the real world. Some of the example highlights: introduction to GitHub. If you know how to manage repositories, collaborate on projects, and build a killer portfolio, you can even scream at your recruiter to hire me. Competitive programming, like a lot of people have mentioned, strategies to ace CP contests help you to crack interviews, and you will also make algorithms your best friend. And have you heard about Copilot? This one's a game changer. If you haven't explored it yet, you're in for a treat. Or were you just living under a rock? It's like having a peer programmer, your programmer best friend that never gets tired. And best part, it's AI. I mean, it's in the buzz. Emerging technologies. We are going to execute so many talks on AI, blockchain, and so many trends shaping the future of tech. These sessions aren't just lectures. We are going to make sure they're interactive and hands on experiences. You'll walk out not only with new knowledge, but also with the confidence to apply it. Now, let me talk about the DSA and quiz experience. In the future, we are planning to have DSA Rush and sudo u. If someone knows, sudo is just the Linux wordplay of super user. So, are you a super user? Coding competitions are the heart and soul of Algo Allies. So, whether it's a DSA challenge or a quiz on tech trivia, we are going to make sure these events aren't just about winning, they're about pushing your boundaries. And you might be wondering, why DSA? Because data structures and algorithms are the backbone of problem solving. If coding were a game of chess, DSA would be your ability to calculate 10 moves ahead. And let me tell you, these competitions are designed to test not just your knowledge, but also your endurance. Think of it as a mental workout. जितना solve करोगे उतने ही strong बनोगे. Now, for those of you who are new to this, let me ease your fears. Trust me, nobody starts as a pro. Repeat after me, nobody starts as a pro. If you are struggling to understand binary search or can't figure out why your merge sort isn't merging, don't worry. That is exactly why we are here, to guide you, to help you grow. And yes, occasionally we will laugh at silly bugs we all encounter, like error, segmentation fault, and everyone's in the community will like, ha ha, अगले question पे चलो यार, ये छोड़ो. And then we are going to have so much fun together, learning about latest trends, technologies, and even quirky facts about programming. Trust me, knowing who created GitHub won't land you a job, but it will win you some serious bragging rights at our next quiz. Now, collaboration and projects from spectators to creators. The third pillar is collaboration. This is where the real magic happens. Through projects and coding sprints, we give you the chance to work with your peers, brainstorm ideas, and bring them to life. It's about taking what you learn in theory and applying it in practice. And here's the best part, these projects don't just build your skills, they build your network. And who knows, the people you are interacting with today and collaborating with today would be co founders, teammates, and even your mentors. So, this is about the DSA rush. DSA competitions are a game changer because it's about leveling up your problem solving skills. They will push you to think on your feet, optimize solutions, and get comfortable tackling tricky problems under pressure, just like in real world coding interviews. And also, you will learn from others. You will share approaches on how you are even thinking about solving a problem, and you will get inspired to dig deeper into the world of data structures and algorithms. And trust me, once you're in the game, you're not going to come out. About pseudo you. This is a fantastic way to challenge your understanding of programming fundamentals while keeping it fun and engaging. And these competitions aren't just about testing your knowledge, it is to spark a natural curiosity and encourage creative thinking. You get to approach problems from new perspectives, and you get even better ways to solve them. And the best part, as mentioned by everyone, it is to learn and connect. It is to share ideas with like minded people. And what makes quizzes truly visionary is their role in building confidence and a community. They will prepare you for the competitive tech world we all are going to face one day. And trust me, having teamwork and a sense of belonging will go a long, long way. So, I'm just a small light up. Dream jobs. Everyone needs data structures and algorithms there, and everyone knows about LIC, right? But here we are, placement के साथ भी, placement के बाद भी. So trust me, DSA is pretty much needed. Next thing, collaboration and projects. Oh, tools and technologies, staying ahead of the curve. So let's talk about tools. In the rapidly evolving tech world, staying up to date is not optional; it's essential. That's why AlgoAllies is going to emphasize cutting edge tools and platforms. Some of the technologies, we should not spoil it, but okay, I will tell you. We are going to take a look at GitHub to tell you about version control. Have you heard about Copilot? Yeah, it's really good. You can solve DSA pretty much easily with that. Even lead code hards are a breeze with it. And obviously, the elephant in the room, lead code and code forces. We are going to help you build programming practice. And for someone who is interested in developing and deploying applications, we are going to tell you about Docker and Kubernetes. So, by familiarizing yourself with these tools, you not only boost your technical skills, but also make yourself industry ready. And here's one thing that I want, accountability. Here's the thing, ये skills अपने पे नहीं बनने वाले. Skills don't develop on their own. You will need to put in the time, the effort, and the discipline. And at AlgoAllies, we have a motto that sums this up. I know it's going to sound really cheesy, but no excuses, just execution. Think of yourselves like a Windows file, .exe दबाओ, execute करो. No excuses, just execution. Now let that sink in. Whether it's solving that one extra problem on lead code, or attending a workshop with us after a long day of classes, or just simply showing up for your team during a project. It's not about being the perfect coder. It's about being a consistent coder. And shout out to Saranda House. It's the parent organization of AlgoAllies. And trust me, we are not flattering anyone. Saranda House isn't just a name, it's a legacy of excellence, innovation, and leadership. And as a venture of Saranda House, AlgoAllies plans to carry this tradition forward and empower students like me and you and everyone to aim for greatness. Now, before we wrap up, if you want to join us, please scan this QR code. And trust me, we are going to get you in and we are going to have the G space ready for you so that we all are ready to collaborate and think about new projects all the time. So please scan this and become an ally with us. And a final thought, just think about this. Okay, just think about this. In life, we often hear people say, not all who wander are lost. But in coding, I'd say, not all who struggle are stuck. Struggling means you are learning, you are growing, and you are moving forward. And as members of AlgoAllies, you're not alone in this journey. Trust me, you can do coding on your own, but the purpose is to have a team, to be allies, a community, and a collective vision to guide us all. So, are you ready to leave the spectator seat and step onto the field? Get your batting gloves on because it's time to hit some sixes. Are you ready to solve, to innovate, and to create? Because trust us, we are ready to welcome you, support you, and celebrate any victories, be it big or small. So, thank you. And let's make this year a milestone in the journey of AlgoAllies. Remember one thing, no excuses, just execution. And stick around with us. We are having a special surprise for you at the end.
Thank you, Sarthak. Thank you, everyone, for joining this and taking out the time for uh, getting us known. If anyone like to join our community, we have already shared the link in the Google space and through our PR message, or you can directly scan this QR and join us and be the member of Algo Allies. Okay, Sarthak, let's start with some. Hello, Sarthak.
Hi. Okay, so who's here ready for a small game? Like anyone who's ready for a small, it's just a small glimpse
It's
of
just,
what's ahead.
yes, it's a glimpse of our future event.
Okay, so let's have some fun. Hop on. It's we are not having a lead code thing, but it's pretty close. So please scan this QR, or let's do one thing. I'll share a screen and we'll go on the website directly.
Share the link in the chat box.
Okay, so I'll just I will share the link.
Hello, Sarthak.
How is it?
Share the link in the chat itself.
Okay, guys, join fast, join fast. We were going to start at 7. Hurry up.
And those who aren't able to join, you can answer them here in the chat box itself.
Yes, yes. If anyone is unable to join, please tell us. We are happy to help. Okay, so is everyone ready? Everyone excited? Yeah, so let's have a coding competition going around here. It's 7. So I'll just wait for 1 more minute. Let's make it 40, guys. Let's hit 40 here. Oh, you guys hit 40 fast. Okay, so let's start now.
Let everyone join. Wait. And limit is
Hello,
50, right?
hello.
Yeah, limit
At
is
my
50.
screen, they're showing only 5 players ready, but in your screen there are 40 players. Is it correct URL? I joined.
Wait, let me just. Mm, Okay, you should refresh the page once, Bhanu.
Join with the code I send you just now.
Mm, This code. Where should I put it?
It's in the Meet chat. Okay, we are close to hitting the limit.
They are showing only from the moment you joined, so it's okay.
Okay, okay, okay. That's right. Yes. Hmm.
Let's hit 45, guys. Let's hit 40. Oh, man. Okay. Is everyone ready? I think
Yes.
46. Okay. 43, 42.
Guys, server full कर दो 50 का लिमिट है.
We have a limit of 45 to 50. Please, server full, guys. We're not expecting. We would have added 100 places if it was so bold here. Let's go.
स्टार्ट कर दो साल.
Okay. So we are starting, everyone. Last 10 seconds. Make sure you are here. Make sure you're looking at your phones. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So this is basically a quiz and answer as fast as to get more points. Okay. Name of the first computer. Okay. Options are there. Oh,
Maximum audience with the wrong answer. No worries, no worries.
no worries, no worries. Okay.
Let's go for
So
the
this
next.
is we will have more coding rounds, like more quiz rounds like that. Don't worry. Okay, chance to go. Everyone's ready. Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, and action. Who is the father of modern computing? Be careful. It's a
Hope,
trick question.
hoping everyone get the correct one. Yeah.
Oh, that
Huh?
was a trick
Are you
question.
kidding me? The one
Charles
with the Narayan
Babbage.
Murthy, I want to meet you.
No worries, guys. No worries,
No
guys.
worries, just for fun. We are not teasing
It's
anyone.
just fun.
Don't worry.
Okay,
Okay.
let's have the next now. Everyone's ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, and action. Remember to be as fast as possible. In DSA, what order is followed by a queue?
This is easy one.
Oh, everyone got it right. Everyone almost got it right. Congratulations to the ones who got it right. And to the ones who got it wrong, don't worry. We are here for you. AlgoAllies is going to teach you everything about DSA. So no worries about it. Okay, let's go ahead. Waiting for players. In five, four, three, two, and action. The smallest part of oh my god, it's a typo here. But yeah, the smallest part of a recursive function is who
Quite
gets
tricky.
it?
Everyone get
Oh,
it right. Almost
race
everyone.
case. Congratulations. The next questions are a bit tricky, so think ahead. I'm just giving you a thumbs up, okay? I'm a good host here. Okay, everyone's ready? In five and four and three and two and action. Full form of URL. Let's see. Oh, everyone got it right.
Kudos, everyone.
Kudos, everyone. Kudos. Uniform resource locator. And question six of seven. Let's see who's winning. Okay, in five and four and three and two and action. Splendid,
Great.
guys. Great.
For people minority.
Okay, so
Last question.
last question. I don't think it's a trick question. I think it's just a general question. So let's see. Remember, guys,
OS
trust
here
the
is operating system. Those who
operating
don't know.
system. Wow. Okay.
Almost
Everyone scored really great here.
correct.
Okay, so now we just want to know what is your goal with AlgoAllies? Are you thinking more on the side of web dev, competitive programming, data science, low-level systems? I know a lot of people from ES might be here or others, and we would be really happy to know that. So we'll just give you 2 minutes. Tell us about your goal with AlgoAllies.
Maturity go with yes. And there is a tough fight between competitive program and web dev.
But you can select multiple options as well, guys.
Is someone like me interested in everything? Go ahead.
Go ahead, go ahead. I think the polls have stabilized. I don't like this is not like a normal distribution. I don't like it at all.
We got left aligned. Normal distribution.
Okay, so it's a tough fight between web dev and CP. I just want to see like, do they make amends or like who comes in just 1 minute here? We're gonna know if you're more interested in CP or web dev. Okay, so I think the polls are stabilized. The simulation has ran. So data science. Oh my God, splendid. I thought we would be having more people in competitive programming here, but data science, it's splendid. I mean, not surprised given the degree, but welcome everyone. We are going to make sure that data science is going to be the main thing at AlgoAllies. And don't worry, CP, web dev, everything will follow, even low level systems. And to the 8 people, we would like your inputs as well. So, just a small exercise, guys. We just want to know where you are from. So, just drop your pin so we get to know where everyone is from. Okay, one person is from, I think it's MP, right? MP. Okay. We have people from Jharkhand. Okay. Mumbai. Oh my God.
Every part of
Very
India.
good. Oh my God. It's looking so good. We have so many people. Okay. There are a lot of people from West Bengal. Quite a few from Mumbai. Okay, we are getting people from every. Oh, one's from Sikkim.
We have taken your input, Ankit. We are going to have something on blockchain show.
All right. Has everyone done it? My God, we are having a diverse peer group here. We're having a diverse peer group here. 6 people from Maharashtra. That's beautiful. Okay, just one more minute and you're gonna see it's like how beautiful it looks, right? Our map. I mean, I can almost see clusters here, Abhishek. I don't know if they should be
Yes,
present
yes.
here.
The clusters are divided into four parts like directions.
Yeah.
Yes,
All
sure.
right.
We'll
So
apply K means.
yeah, K means, of course. We are all data scientists here, man. Okay, so we have the most people from Mumbai. So welcome from like welcome to people. Oh, one's from Pakistan.
It's
Wow.
not Pakistan, it's Punjab. Basically, I didn't found Punjab over there.
Okay, I'm from Punjab as well.
Okay, okay.
I got confused. I was like, ये क्या हो गया? All right, all right. Okay, lovely people here. Lovely people. So let's see who won. Oh, so close. So close. Omkar wins with 6,523 points.
Congratulations, Omkar.
Congratulations, Omkar. Congratulations. And congratulations to everyone else as well. Gursimar, you were the fastest. Nana, Cranberry Juice, Dante, Dragonite, Abhinav, Watermelon, Ahana, and Mahadevan. Congratulations to everyone. It was a fun thing. So now you know it's just a demo of what to expect at Algo Allies. So how did you like it so far? Enjoyed it, everyone?
Yes.
Alright. Okay, so now we are going to have your questions because there must be a lot of questions. So one by one, our head
And
Abhishek and I
at,
and our secretary all will address the questions. Okay.
at the same point, I have shared the link to join the Algo Allies. You can fill out it, and there you will get join Algo Allies here. So you will get the WhatsApp chat, WhatsApp group link there itself in the form. Hope to see large numbers there.
Yes, Omkar, you can join
Yes,
multiple
Omkar,
clubs as well.
as per your interest.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Do we form ICPC teams an online degree of IIT Madras?
Sorry, I couldn't get your question. Can you repeat?
ICPC, the ICPC contest. Do we form
We
teams
can,
at IIT
we
Madras?
can, but we cannot
We
take the name of our institution.
Yes, we can't represent IITM in another competitions or you know about the Smart India Hackathon, right? That is also we can't represent there.
So you have to
So we
represent your
as
like
a
local college instead of IIT.
no, if you have, or you can represent as a team. But
Okay, okay.
yeah, as a online degree, we can't represent IITM in another competitions or.
Hmm. Got it.
It's just because of the reputation of the college.
Mhm. Rupesh Pathak, do you have any questions? Guys, feel free to unmute yourself and then and
Hi,
Yes,
audio.
Rupesh.
Hitesh.
Okay. So, yes, Hitesh. Guys, you can either join the queue or you can just unmute and ask us anything. We are here to help you.
I want to know the last student what the question they asked.
Guys, you can talk in Hindi also if you are comfortable with Hindi. How many do we have common clubs project?
What do you mean by the common club projects? Uh, do you mean different club come together and work on the same project, or is it something else? Bolo, yeah, guys, you don't have any questions.
Which type of project you are working on? You can give us the idea if you have any suggestions. You can put in the chat in the group also so that we
Yes,
can work on.
we are very versatile.
But currently we are not working on any project. So today is our orientation. We are happy to see you guys, the enthusiastic people, to work on projects. If you are interested, then we will help you.
Aniket,
Okay.
thank you for your idea. We'll surely conduct some seminar on this topic. Okay, we have noted down it.
एक है ना मेरी तरफ से पॉइंट था।
Mm-hmm.
मैं यूआई यूएक्स डिजाइनर हूँ वैसे प्रोफेशनली, डिजाइन
Okay,
वगैरह बनाता हूँ। आगे जो कंपनी में जब मैं डिजाइन अपनी भेजता हूँ तो उसको ऑफ कोर्स वो प्रोग्रामर में उसको बर्बाद कर देता
मतलब
हूँ। मतलब ये है कि डिजाइन जैसे मैंने फिग्मा में बनाई तो प्रोफेशनली मैं कोशिश करता हूँ बहुत अच्छी बनाऊँ, बन भी जाती है। लेकिन जब मैं
Mm-hmm.
उसको आगे भेजता हूँ डेवलपर्स के बाद, अब कंपनी में क्या है, ये लोग ना जो फ्रंट एंड की टीम है वो एक्चुअल में डिजाइनर के अंडर में होनी चाहिए, लेकिन उनका सिस्टम क्या है, वो डेवलपर्स के अंडर में काम करते
Mm-hmm.
हैं। तो उनको सीएसएस की नॉलेज कम है, तो क्या करता है
Okay.
कि फिग्मा से फाइल उठाई, फिर वो जो अपने हिसाब से इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं। पूरी डिजाइन जब मैं एक महीने बाद देखता हूँ ना कि इम्प्लीमेंट होके क्या हुआ, तो
Hmm.
पहचान में नहीं आती कि क्या ये वही डिजाइन है जो मैंने बनाई थी। तो यहाँ पर मेरा ये पॉइंट है कि क्या अपन कुछ ऐसा कर सकते हैं कि फिग्मा से रिएक्ट में, क्योंकि वो लोग रिएक्ट में करते हैं, मेरे को रिएक्ट आता नहीं। बाकी मेरे को आती है एचटीएमएल सीएसएस जावास्क्रिप्ट ये सब आता है, रिएक्ट नहीं आता।
कैसा
तो
होता है ना,
रिएक्ट
भानु, राइट? आपका नाम भानु है।
हाँ हाँ
कैसा होता है जब इनपुट मिल जाता है फ्रॉम द यूएक्स यूआई डिजाइनर, सो बेसिकली हमेशा यूआई यूएक्स डिजाइनर का पर्सपेक्टिव क्या रहता है, क्लीन यूआई हो, ठीक है,
हम्म।
लोग इजीली चीजें नेविगेट कर पाए, राइट। बट जब
राइट।
वो चीजें डेवलपर के पास जाती है, सो डेवलपर को उसका डेवलपर साइड भी देखना होता है। वो पूरा ट्राई करता है इम्प्लीमेंट करने का, बट कस्टमर फीडबैक्स, यूजर फीडबैक, है ना, यूजर बोलता है नहीं मुझे ये बटन इधर नहीं चाहिए, मुझे ये बटन इधर चाहिए, तो उसके बेसिस पे डिजाइन बहुत सारी चेंजेस हो जाती है। तो हाँ, क्योंकि मैं भी पहले यूआई यूएक्स में काम कर चुका हूँ, ये इशू रहेगा ही, एंड यू कैन सॉल्व इट बिकॉज ये मोस्टली फीडबैक बेस्ड होता है। आपका यूजर जैसा फीडबैक देगा, आपको वैसे सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलप करना पड़ेगा, करेक्ट। तो
हाँ,
वो
वो मैं समझ रहा हूँ।
वो अप्रोच बहुत ही यूजर सेंट्रिक हो जाता है।
ये पॉइंट तो मैं आपका वैलिड मानता हूँ, सही है। लेकिन
यस।
इसमें जो मेरी तरफ से था ना आर्ग्यू, ये था कि ये लोग है ना, जैसे मान लो कोई बटन है मैंने बनाई ऐसी थी, वो उस बटन का रूप ही बिगाड़ देता है।
हाँ, वो अभी डेवलपर का फॉल्ट है, डेवलपर इसमें अच्छा नहीं है।
हाँ, ये ऐसा हमारे यहाँ होता है। तो मैं सोच रहा था एक बार अगर रिएक्ट का बेसिक भी अगर कोई समझाते ना ढंग से, तो फिर इधर से मैं इनको
अच्छा,
बना
तो
के देता।
ट्राई करते हैं हम लोग एक मॉन्स्टैक पे कुछ सेमिनार लेते हैं, कोई इंडस्ट्री से देखते हैं। ये भी मैं सारे पॉइंट नोट कर लेता हूँ, आप लोगों ने जो भी रिकमेंडेशन दिए हैं, जैसे अनिकेत ने दिया, आपने दिए, एंड ट्राई करूँगा कि ये हर एक फील्ड के रिलेटेड हम लोग कुछ दे पाए, ठीक है, ताकि एट द एंड सबका डाउट्स क्लियर हो एंड एवरीथिंग।
सही है।
आई होप आई आंसर्ड यू।
सही। आपने गिट पर किया था शायद कोई प्रोजेक्ट पहले ना?
हाँ, मैंने बहुत प्रोजेक्ट्स किए हैं।
नहीं, आपका मतलब आपका पर्टिकुलर आपकी बात नहीं कर रहा, अपने ग्रुप की बात कर रहा हूँ। ये जो क्या नाम है?
हाँ, किया हुआ है, हमारा जो बाइट बैच था वो तो हैकेथॉन ही था।
अच्छा।
वैसे बहुत किए हुए हैं। हम लोग सब पे लेंगे, डोंट वरी, हम सब चीज़ सिखाएंगे, वर्जन कंट्रोल से लेके एवरीथिंग, ठीक है।
थैंक यू।
वेलकम। और एनीवन एल्स?
आप
डीएसए
भी अभी
एवरीवेयर।
स्टूडेंट हो?
करंटली यस।
ओके।
बस इतना ही।
यहाँ सभी स्टूडेंट्स हैं,
और
वी ऑल आर स्टूडेंट्स।
भाई कौन से ईयर में हो आप?
यहाँ पे तो मैं अभी डिप्लोमा में जाने वाला हूँ, और बाकी मैं ऑफलाइन डिग्री कर रहा हूँ, बीटेक। उसमें मैं सेकेंड थर्ड ईयर में हूँ अभी।
ओके।
यस।
सब सभी स्टूडेंट नहीं है भाई लोग, मैं जॉब भी करता हूँ साथ में, है ना। मेरी कॉलेज और वो सब बहुत पहले हो चुका है।
श्योर श्योर। मतलब जो भी आईआईटीएम का, मैं तो बोलता हूँ सभी
हाँ,
स्टूडेंट ही होते हैं।
आईआईटीएम में मैं हूँ
whoever is
फाउंडेशन
learning,
लेवल।
whoever is learning, मैं तो बोलता हूँ सब कोई स्टूडेंट ही होता है। चाहे वो आप अभी आईआईटीएम में हो तो आप यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट हो, बट एट द एंड सब हम हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ सीख ही रहे होते हैं।
हाँ, ये तो है।
हाँ, तो एट द एंड तो सभी स्टूडेंट है। एनीवन एल्स?